Akiaria Kîrî mamburaja kuthambeta kaniseni ya All Saints Anglican Church of Kenya Njûkî, ngabana wa kaunti ya Tharaka Nithi Muthomi Njûkî na inyiritie Ûgambi bwawe bwa umbere ati ndagitari uria utichoka ngugine ntuku ya RUUJU akabutwa na bangi bandikwe bobwitite uri Mandagitarî nthigurune bethirite bari mugomone gwa kwi mweri nandi. Nawe akiaria o mambureni oja MUBUNGE wa Chuka igamba ng'ombe Patrick Munene norite niki gitumi kumare gutwika RAIS William Ruto atakinya KAUNTINE eu akiwa ne bamuringire kura bunene. AUGITE arega gukinya nteri wa kariba karingikani ontu guti MIRADI bakona. Na mugeni wa gitio Kîrî mamburaja MUBUNGE wa Kiharu NDINDI AUGITE kwina MIRADI kathumba ya thirikari nene iria irungami na ni ontu guti na kigina gya kung'ana thirikari ikendeka gutega iria ikubatara kuthirikirwa iri ya mbere. Samugashima ni akurikithia.
Kîrî kîgongwana gîa ntugo ya kiumia gîa kanisa ya Kianglikana ya All Saints ntere cia Ndagani Chuka kîrîa kîgwatithanîtwe na mothi wa kuthirîkîria waki bwa kanisa. Mugeni wa gîtîjo arĩ mũbunge wa Kiharu NYORO na nkurukigete wa igavana Muthomi Njûkî na mũbunge wa ichiwa ya Chuka igamba ng'ombe Patrick Munene amwe na ma MCA kathumba. NYORO augite ati kuri na UBATU ba thirikari nene kuthura mirandi imikai kuma kiri mirandi nkutho ira ya kwamire kagita ka thirikari nkuruku kenda ithirikirwa itwika ya kiguni kiri mu Kenya. Thirikari yeterete kuona mbia ikugana kuthirikiria mirandi ira yingi.
Kuna miradi mingi sana imekwama katika nchi ya Kenya. Hapa Tharaka Nithi kuna barabara na kuna other things that are infrastructural in nature. And we had to make a choice as government. So tulikopa pesa tukaanza barabara hapa, barabara pale, barabara pale. But for the economic transformation ile italetwa na hiyo barabara, haitaletwa barabara ikijibwa, italetwa barabara ikikamilika. Now that is the situation. So we had to assess that we have to take a few projects, we complete them, then tuende na hiyo namna. Kwa sababu hata kwa hawa wadosi wetu wa Kenya, barabara ni barabara kama imekamilika.
Noe gavana Muthomi Njûkî na watirite ati akabuta Mandagitarî barabata kigwe bari wirani ro Jumatatu ya tariki 15 mweri wa 4 akiuga ati mantu maraba kwenda kiri mugomo wago matiombekana namo.
When you look at that CBA 6-7 years later, it is almost impossible to implement unless we stop doing everything else in Kenya that requires money. It is currently not sustainable. Because when you pay an intern 206,000 Kenya shillings, that is a salary way beyond what the graduate engineer gets when they leave Chuka University. It is beyond what the job group of an accountant who leaves the same university will get, and they are not interns.
Ariuria akariba kaunti ya Tharaka Nithi batiga kuthuke kuthi cibitari cia thirikari akiuga ati na ruthite mitaratara ikugana gutigira ati bagatungatirwa bura kubatirie.
We negotiated with our clinic officers. We have also renegotiated with our lab technologists, and by Friday the few that were out on strike are back to work.
Noe mũbunge Patrick Munene na meneretie nkujanio iraireo gatiga atongoria bagichia cha ba kaunti no akiuga ati neo itiritie ndiunga ya RAIS ndeni ya kaunti no.
This is the only county in this country that the president has not visited mpaka saizi. Na shida Ndindi ni mvutano. Even the president had to sing out to Tharaka Nithi in Naivasha. Akasema kuna mahali kwingine nikijaribu kutembea na angua ngoja kidogo. Kwa sababu ya mvutano ya aina miguu. Me, I want to say this categorically, wananchi wetu, we are losing as a people.
Munene ariuga ati ukaigwa RAIS ariongire kaunti no mawirane mara agipa akari kirirwaria rwake majaga gutwika kiguni kiria akari gukurukira wikirwa budgetini ireka thomwa mweri wa 6.
Ukienda kwa dini kuna kuanga na listi kubwa inaitwa presidential promises. Presidential promises is when the president visits a place. So watu wengi wanaulizanga tunasema akuja afanya nini? President akipita hivyo tu hata akisema hiyo barabara yetu, hiyo maji yetu, nini, those things go to the budget. Kama rais angekuja Tharaka Nithi this month ama last month, the pledges that the president would give ndio zitaenda kwa budget. Lakini tukizungushana alafu rais aanze kukuja June, aanze kukuja Julai, hizo ni za ile budget hii. So tumelose budget hii.
Nkiripotera weru wikendi kuma gichigo bunge ya Chuka Egamba Ng'ombe mbita wa Samuel Gaishma.